Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can report message in Google Chat on PC. So you can open the Google Chat that you have downloaded, and if you haven't downloaded, you can open the Gmail. So um, for example, um, click chat or space and select the message that you want to block, for example, and select three dot at right, and you can select the block report, or just or you can select the name of the composition and then select block and report. So you can report, just check the box to report to Google, or you can just block and um yeah, just click block without checks the box. That's it. I hope this information was helpful for you. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe. If you have any question, please leave in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching.